In this video, I am going to introduce you into the concept of natural cure to help you begin to see why you should go about your health and fitness the natural way, instead of loading your system with drugs and chemicals that damage your body vital organs in the long run. Welcome to Pure Cure 7. I am Dr. Frog, the natural cure expert. Here I provide you with the most effective herbal cures and natural remedies available, and bring you the latest research information on natural medicine, so you can make informed decisions about your health. If you have ever been sick and tired of the use of drugs, injections and surgical blades, and want to go the way of natural therapies and cure, you are welcome to Pure Cure 7, where I furnish you with up-to-date information about effective natural cure that pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know about. Make sure you stick around to the end because I will be sharing 7 powerful natural remedies for treating allergies. Now to the lesson for today. What is natural cure and why the heck do you need natural therapy? What is the goal of natural cure? The goal of a natural cure is to eliminate the underlying cause of an illness by making judicious use of natural ingredients. It is not only a method of healing but also a way of life that is in harmony with the natural elements or internal vital forces that make up the human body. The phrase natural cure can be described with a term called naturopathy. Although the term naturopathy is of recent origin, the philosophical foundation and several methods of nature cure treatments are centuries old. Ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome all practiced it. Hippocrates, 460 to 357 BC, the father of medicine, strongly advocated it. India appears to have been far more advanced in natural healing systems than other countries around the world in the past. The extensive use of nature's excellent healing agents such as air, earth, water, and sun is mentioned in India's ancient sacred books. The discovery of the great baths of the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro in Old Sind attests to the use of water for curative purposes in ancient India. Modern methods of nature cure were developed in Germany in 1822, when Vincent Priestschnitz opened the first hydropath establishment. Because of his great success with water cure, the idea of drugless healing spread throughout the civilized world, and many medical practitioners from America and other countries became his enthusiastic students and disciples. These students then expanded and developed the various natural healing methods in their own unique way. The entire body of knowledge was later grouped together under the umbrella term naturopathy. Dr. Benedict Lust, 1872 to 1945, is credited with coining the term naturopathy, and is thus known as the father of naturopathy. Nature cure is based on the realization that man is born healthy and strong and that he can remain so by living in accordance with natural laws. Even if a person is born with an inherited disease, he or she can overcome it by maximizing the use of natural healing agents. Fresh air, sunshine, a healthy diet, exercise, scientific relaxation, constructive thinking, and a positive mental attitude, as well as prayer and meditation, all contribute to maintaining a sound mind in a sound body. Disease, according to nature cure, is an abnormal condition of the body caused by a violation of natural laws. Every such violation has an effect on the human system in the form of decreased vitality, irregularities in the blood and lymph, and waste matter and toxins accumulation. As a result, a poor diet has a negative impact on more than just the digestive system. When toxins build up, other organs such as the bowels, kidneys, skin, and lungs become overburdened and unable to eliminate these harmful substances as quickly as they are produced. Aside from that, mental and emotional disturbances disrupt the vital electric field within which cell metabolism occurs, resulting in the production of toxins. Disease-causing germs can live in this electric field soil without multiplying or producing toxins if it is not disturbed. Only when the blood is disturbed or polluted with toxic waste do the germs multiply and become dangerous. The entire philosophy and practice of nature cure is based on 3 fundamental principles. These principles are based on the findings of over a century of effective naturopathic treatment. Disease treatment in Germany, America, and the United Kingdom. They have been tested and proven numerous times by the results obtained. The accumulation of waste materials and bodily refuse in the system is the root cause. These waste materials are removed from the system by the organs of elimination in a healthy individual. However, in the diseased person, they accumulate in the body over time as a result of years of faulty living habits such as improper feeding, poor body care, and habits that contribute to enervation and nervous exhaustion such as worry, overwork, and excesses of all sorts. It follows from this fundamental principle that the only way to cure disease is to use methods that allow the system to eliminate these toxic accumulations. All natural treatments are actually aimed at this goal. The second fundamental principle of nature cure is that all acute diseases, such as fevers, colds, inflammations, digestive disturbances, and skin eruptions, are nothing more than self-initiated efforts on the part of the body to rid itself of accumulated waste materials, and that all chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, rheumatism, asthma, and kidney disorders, are the result of continued suppression of the acute diseases through harmful methods such as drugs, vaccines, and surgery. The third principle of nature cure is that the body contains an intricate healing mechanism that has the ability to restore a person's health to normal if the proper methods are used. In other words, the ability to cure disease resides within the body rather than in the hands of the doctor. The modern medical system treats symptoms and suppresses disease while doing little to determine the true cause. Toxic drugs that may suppress or relieve certain ailments usually have negative side effects. Drugs typically impede the body's self-healing efforts and make recovery more difficult. When drugs are used, the patient must recover twice, once from the illness and once from the drug, according to the late Sir William Osler, an eminent physician and surgeon. Drugs cannot cure diseases. The disease persists. The only thing that changes is its pattern. Drugs also cause nutritional deficiencies by destroying nutrients, depleting them, and preventing their absorption. Furthermore, the toxicity they produce occurs when the body is least capable of dealing with it. Consequently, the power to restore health does not lie in drugs, but in nature. The modern systems approach is more combative after the disease has set in, whereas the natural cure system places a greater emphasis on prevention and measures to achieve and maintain health and prevent disease. The modern medical system treats each individual. Disease is treated as a separate entity that requires a specific drug to cure, whereas the nature cure system treats the organism as a whole and seeks to restore harmony to the patient's entire being. The nature cure system aims to readjust the human system from abnormal to normal conditions and functions, and it uses cure methods that are in accordance with nature's constructive principles. Such methods remove toxic matter and poisons from the system without causing any harm to the body's vital organs. They also improve the function of the elimination and purification organs. The first and most important requirement for disease cure is diet regulation. To get rid of accumulated toxins and restore system balance, it is best to avoid acid-forming foods, such as proteins, starches, and fats, for a week or more and stick to fresh fruits, which will disinfect the stomach and alimentary canal. If the body is overburdened with morbid matter, such as in acute disease, a complete fast for a few days may be required to eliminate toxins. Fruit juice, on the other hand, may be consumed during a fast. A simple rule is to avoid eating when you are sick and instead stick to a light diet of fresh fruits. Wait for your normal healthy appetite to return. Loss of appetite is nature's warning that the digestive organs should not be overburdened. After a week of eating only fruits, alkaline foods like raw vegetables and sprouted whole grain cereals can be added. Another important factor in natural disease treatment is stimulating the body's vitality. This can be accomplished by utilizing water in a variety of forms and temperatures in the form of packs or baths. A cold sitting, hip bath immediately lowers body heat and stimulates the nervous system by applying cold water to the abdomen, the seat of most diseases, and the sexual organs. Hydrotherapy, in the form of wet packs, provides a simple natural method of lowering fevers and reducing pain and inflammation without any harmful side effects. Warm water treatments, on the other hand, are soothing. Other natural methods for disease treatment include air and sunbaths, exercise, and massage. Air and sunbathes help to rejuvenate dead skin and keep it in good condition. Exercise, particularly yogic asana, promotes inner health and harmony and aids in the release of all physical, mental, and emotional tension. Massage stimulates the nervous system while also increasing blood circulation and metabolic rate. Thus, a well-balanced diet, adequate physical exercise, and observance of other well-being laws such as fresh air, plenty of sunlight, pure drinking water, meticulous cleanliness, adequate rest, and the right mental attitude can ensure proper health and prevent disease. Congratulations for sticking around to the end. Hope you found the content valuable. Now to the bonus information I promised you on the natural remedies for curing allergies. Allergies are a type of immune system reaction to a substance, called an allergen, that is typically harmless to most people. Allergens can be things like pollen, dust mites, certain foods, animal dander, or medications. When someone with allergies comes into contact with an allergen, their immune system produces an abnormal response that results in symptoms such as sneezing, runny nose, itching, and hives. In more severe cases, allergies can cause anaphylaxis, a life-threatening reaction that can cause difficulty breathing, a drop in blood pressure, and other serious symptoms. Allergies can be diagnosed through various tests, including skin tests and blood tests. Treatment options for allergies include avoiding the allergen, taking medications to control symptoms, and in some cases, undergoing immunotherapy, allergy shots, to desensitize the immune system to the allergen. Here are 7 powerful remedies for treating allergies. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate allergy symptoms. It can be added to food or taken as a supplement. 2. Peppermint tea. Drinking peppermint tea can help relieve allergy symptoms by opening up the airways and reducing congestion. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts and can help reduce inflammation and alleviate allergy symptoms. They can also be taken as a supplement. 4. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is an herb that can help reduce inflammation and relieve allergy symptoms. It can be taken as a supplement or made into a tea. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Drinking apple cider vinegar mixed with water can help alleviate allergy symptoms by reducing mucus production and inflammation. 6. Saline nasal spray. Using a saline nasal spray can help flush out allergens and reduce congestion. 7. Steam inhalation. Breathing in steam from a hot shower or a bowl of hot water with a towel over the head can help relieve allergy symptoms by opening up the airways and reducing congestion. I hope you found this video beneficial. If you did, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Ask your question or leave a comment in the comment section. I will be glad to respond to you and serve you the best way possible. Till we see in the next video, stay healthy naturally.